Zayn Malik has broken his social media silence with a new snap after joining a plus-size dating app following his split from Gigi Hadid. The former One Direction star took to Instagram to share a selfie as he pouted for the camera, showing off his new neck tattoo in the close-up shot. 2. Zayn took to Instagram to break his silence for the first time since last month. Credit, Instagram. 2. Zayn and Gigi split up last year, shortly after welcoming daughter KhaiCredit, Getty. Zayn, 28, went radio silent on his social media pages after we exclusively revealed he had appeared to have signed up for a new dating website. It came shortly after the singer split with slim supermodel Gigi Hadid, 26. New dad Zayn, who shares daughter K1 with the model, has been linked to the website, which says it is for all people who love plus-size singles. The app uses facial recognition technology to help verify users' identities, and a clip of Zayn taking part in an emoji challenge was leaked online. Now the X Factor star has broken his silence on social media, sharing a selfie showing his latest inking across his neck. Keeping it casual in a green top, Zayn furrowed his brow as he struck a pout towards the camera, as fans went wild in the comments. He opted to post the snap without a caption, a trend he has continued for many weeks since breaking up with the supermodel. Zayn previously said he has an interest in curvy women, telling Billboard, "I like girls that are a bit chunky in certain areas, the nice areas. I like a fuller woman." He split from high-fashion model Gigi, 26, last October. The pair had daughter Kai in September, 2020. Zayn was previously named as one of the UK's top 10 most eligible bachelors and is reported to have a fortune of more than £47 million. English-Irish boy band One Direction sold 70 million records worldwide after forming in 2010 and signing to Simon Cowell's Psycho Records label following an appearance on The X Factor. Zayn quit the group 6 months before they announced their indefinite hiatus in 2016 and went on to live a quieter life out of the spotlight. Even during his 6-year relationship with superstar Gigi, Zayn remained largely out of the public eye. His last solo album Nobody Is Listening, in 2021, failed to break into the chart top 10. However, the star, who splits his time between New York and a farm in Pennsylvania, made headlines after it was alleged he'd assaulted Gigi's mother Yolanda during a row shortly before their breakup last year. Zayn hit back at Yolanda, who claimed the singer had hit her and said, "I adamantly deny striking Yolanda Hadid and, for the sake of my daughter, I decline to give any further details, and I hope that Yolanda will reconsider her false allegations and move towards healing these family issues in private." He also spoke about the incident on Twitter, saying, "I had agreed not to contest claims arising from an argument I had with a family member of my partner. Despite my efforts to restore us to a peaceful family environment that will allow for me to co-parent my daughter in a manner which she deserves, this has been leaked."